outset, I must tell you that ERL was born in the era of Walkman and not iPods. However, ERL has successfully walked into the era of iPhones and iPads very easily. When ERL was started in the year 2000, market condition was not as good as what it was supposed to be. In fact, perhaps a little worse than even today. Global economy had slowed down. The great bubble of dot-com had burst. India was facing strict sanctions from developed countries post-Pokhran blast. Under these circumstances, launching a venture, and that to a dot-com venture, raised many eyebrows and skeptical comments. Thus came into being www.projectstoday.com, India's largest online database on new projects. The primary objective of Project Today was to provide an invaluable marketing resource to assist business development efforts of those organizations who focus on the new projects market. Project Today has evolved into perhaps the largest database globally, capturing and monitoring over 45,000 live projects spread across 422 sectors across 600 districts of India, entailing an aggregate investment of over $1 trillion. Interaction with clients, suggestions from market players, and our own experiences helped us to come up with various new products for a large base of our clients, which was swelling day by day. The year 2001, as we found out that there was a vacuum in project-related news dissemination, we started Projects Monitor, a weekly newspaper on projects in 2001. The newspaper, with wide circulation and huge readership, brings out viewpoints of industry leaders, analysis, expert opinion, and project-related news week after week. This is the 11th year of Projects Monitor. The year 2004, with internet penetration in the country not taking place up to the expectations, we thought that people should be made available with project information in the conventional form, that is the print form. So was born in 2004 Project Alert, a weekly publication which gives precise information of 50 projects week after week. As you may agree, the vendor community plays a very vital role in timely execution of projects. And surprisingly, there was no platform where they could talk of their products and their services. Project Vendor was launched in the year 2005, and it tried to fill this vacuum. The monthly magazine provides vendors catering to the new projects fraternity with a useful platform, not only to highlight their products and services, but also new technologies and processes. The year 2006. Power sector, as we all know, is the fulcrum of India's growth story. Considering the importance of this sector, ERL decided to dedicate a publication for this sector. So was launched a monthly publication called Electrical Monitor in the year 2006. This publication has become an ideal platform today, capturing the investment-related dynamics of the power sector, not only in the conventional area, but non-conventional and T&D. The year 2007, with growing urbanization, housing sector in the country was gaining more and more prominence. Further, with the number of affluent people growing day by day, house was no more merely four walls and a roof. Catching up with this trend, we started one more magazine called Architecture Update in the year 2007. This monthly magazine provided invaluable information about the latest trends in architecture and designs in India as well as abroad. Thus, friends, with this kind of products, which mainly cater to the engineering fraternity, it was all but natural for us to join hands with Supreme Infrastructure India Limited to identify and promote engineering talent in our country, which is the backbone of the nation building. We at ERL promise you to come up with more innovative products which will help all of you to perform your duties even more better. Before I conclude, let me wish each one of you present here a bright future, and also it was a great honor for me to share this task with you. Thank you very much, and have a very pleasant evening.
you, Mr. Jetty. I now invite the members of our jury to come up as their names are announced and collect their mementos. I request Mr. Vikas Sharma to present mementos to our jury members. I now call upon the first jury member, Mr. S.K. Gupta. Please give him a big hand.
जी को बोलो उस लड़की को शो कर पोडियम देने के बोलो
I request you, sir, to please take her back on stage. Thank you. I now invite Mr. Ashish Mohan Vir for the next memento. Please stay here with us, sir. Thank you. Can we also have Dr. Geetam Tiwari on stage? Alright, I'll announce the next name. Professor Pradeep Sarkar. Can we have Professor Pradeep Sarkar on stage, please? He's not available. Mr. R.S. Prasad. He's also not available. Professor Mysore. Professor Mysore Srihari. Can we have Dr. Samarjeet Chatterjee?
Ilana Matia.